In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone on WhatsApp. First, make sure you have WhatsApp installed and updated to the latest version on your phone. This helps avoid any glitches as you follow along. Open the app and you'll land on your main chat screen. This is where all your existing conversations live. But to add someone new, we're going to start by saving their phone number to your contacts. On your phone, go to your regular Contacts app, the same place you'd go to add a new phone number. Tap to create a new contact, then type in the person's name and their mobile number. Be sure to include the correct country code at the beginning of the number, especially if they're in a different country. For example, if you're adding an international contact, you'll usually start with a plus sign, then the country code, followed by their number. Double-check the digits to make sure there are no typos, then save the contact. Now, head back into WhatsApp. If you already had the app open, it's a good idea to refresh your contacts so WhatsApp can detect the new person you just added. On most phones, you can do this from the chat screen by tapping the new chat icon, then looking for an option to refresh or update contacts. Some devices do this automatically, so you might not see a refresh button, and that's fine. Once your contacts are updated, tap the new chat icon in WhatsApp. This opens a list of people in your phone's address book who are also using WhatsApp. Scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to type the name of the person you just saved. If their number is registered with WhatsApp, their name should appear here. Tap on their name and a new chat window will open. You've now successfully added them on WhatsApp and you're ready to start messaging. If you don't see their name, it usually means one of two things. Either the number was entered incorrectly, or they haven't set up WhatsApp on their phone yet. Go back to your Contacts app, check the number and country code, and try again. If everything looks correct and they still don't appear, they may need to install WhatsApp before you can chat. From here, you can send a text, a photo, or even start a call. That's all there is to it. Save the number, refresh your contacts in WhatsApp, and start your conversation.